We've covered the first two pillars of social media marketing, strategy and planning and publishing. Well done! You've learned how to build your social media marketing strategy. This includes defining goals for your social media campaigns and making them smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. You also learn some strategy for identifying your target audience, such as compiling information about your current customers, researching how people engage with your brand and where they spend their time on social media, and observing the competition. Next, we discussed how to choose platforms for your campaign by considering how each platform works, as well as your target audience, goals, company, competitors, and available resources. We also explored how to use various types of social media content. You learned about different content buckets such as entertaining, educational, and inspirational content. And you learned about some of the different formats for social media posts like images, written posts, and videos. Then we moved on how to plan and publish posts on social media. We discussed how to plan frequency of your posts and how to determine the best times to publish, such as when your target audience is active online or in response to current events. Finally, we went through how to use a social media calendar and other social media management tools to help you organize, schedule, and track your content. Once you've set up your social media strategy and have planned and published some posts, you're ready to get insights into how your audience is responding to your content and start communicating with them. That brings us to the next section where I'll introduce you to the next pillar of social media marketing, listening and engagement. Meet you there.